Now, fears of politicking have been raised following day one of the Public Protector's impeachment inquiry into Parliament. The Section 194 committee, looking into Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane's fitness to hold office, began its hearings yesterday with much talk about her suspension by President Cyril Ramaphosa. Now, Newzroom Afrika's Athi Mtongana was there and joins us live from Cape Town for more on that story. Athi, a very good morning to you. We know that Mkhwebane's attorney, Advocate Dalimpofu, went on the offensive yesterday, accusing the president of being biased against his clients. What can we expect today?
Yes, Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane's senior legal counsel, Advocate Dalimpofu, did make mention of President Cyril Ramaphosa quite a lot, pointing to the allegations and the claims that they have made, even at the Western Cape High Court. He brought this matter up with regards to the Public Protector's suspension by President Cyril Ramaphosa, claiming that it was premature and that it is biased, given the fact that the Public Protector is one that was actually investigating some of the cases implicating President Cyril Ramaphosa, most recently pointing out to the issue of the Phala farm robbery, wherein the Public Protector, who's obviously now suspended, wrote to the president asking him questions in relation to the robbery at his farm. And then later on, we know that President Cyril Ramaphosa suspended the Public Protector. So that's the argument that Advocate Dalimpofu was bringing before Section 194 committee in Parliament. He also raised bias on the side of the committee, saying that there have been pronouncements from some MPs from opposition parties already making pronouncements of guilt around the Public Protector. You may recall an interview that I had some time ago with John Stenezen, and he mentioned to us here on Newzroom that he'd be popping champagne, for example, for the fact that the president had suspended the Public Protector. That was his immediate reaction. And so some of those issues then were brought up by Advocate Dalimpofu, claiming bias on the side of some of the MPs in the ranks of the Democratic Alliance. You would know that it is the DA that brought the motion, which has subsequently landed to Parliament, now forming this ad hoc committee to investigate the fitness of Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane to hold office. And so we also then spoke to the Democratic Alliance, which says that it is confident that there would be fairness in the process that's going to be taking place in the next couple of months. Today we're expecting the first expert witness to be called before the committee, where they'll basically be outlining the role of a public protector as per the Constitution. We're expecting these proceedings to conclude in September, and this committee would have by then hopefully would have gathered all the evidence that will be produced before it, and then together with all the information that they would have collected, make findings and recommendations to submit before the National Assembly. And then the National Assembly might then potentially move to a vote in favor or against the Public Protector. And also the legal representative for the Public Protector, Dalimpofu, making mention of how they want, if there then becomes a potential vote of no confidence against the Public Protector in the National Assembly through the work that would have been collected by this committee, he suggested that they do it by means of a secret ballot.
Very well. Let's leave it there for now, ahead of that day two of the hearings into the fitness of suspended Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane's fitness to hold office. Athi Mtongana bringing us an overview of what we can expect today. You may